Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable the MIUI system apps on the REDMI Note 9 Pro. First we need to enter the settings, and here in the settings we have to scroll down to password and security. Now we have to scroll down to the authentication verification, and here we have to find the MSA. Disable the MSA here. As you can see, now we're disconnected from the network, but we have to be connected, and then we can turn off the MSA. Apart from that, in the password and security, we can tap privacy here, and here we can scroll down to the ad services. Here, disable personalized ads and recommendations. We have to have it turned off. And apart from that, we can turn off ads in each system application. At first, we need to go to the main menu of our settings here, and now we have to scroll down to the apps. Tap on the system app settings here for each application. Here, tap that. Then go to the wait a moment, scroll down and tap advanced here and enable ad blocker here. Disable blocker notifications and disable show ads. Do it for every single application, which is the system here. Apart from that, we can go to the security. Wait a moment. Here we have security status, but it's not here. Wait a moment, where was that? Security is as I remember. Okay, we can find a quick array, so let's go to search settings and search for security. Here we have, as you can see, security. It took us a moment, but we are here, and here we have to turn off the receive recommendations here, and that's now we have to restart our phone. We have to hold the power button and tap reboot. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Goodbye!